superhuman masterpiece. Round farmland in the desert. Saudi Arabia is becoming an oasis. Multicolored circles are not a mosaic panel or a camera defect, due to which the image splits into pixels. These are small fields with a diameter of just 1 kilometer in the Wadi es-Siran Valley, Al-Juf province, in northern Saudi Arabia, where fruits, vegetables and crops are grown. Why are the fields round? Such an unusual form is obtained due to the irrigation system. Water from the wells enters the pipe and moves in a circle, irrigating the crops. The color of the fields depends on the degree of processing: green, with planting; brown, under steam. It is hard to imagine, but more than a quarter-century ago, instead of green fields, there were dry, barren lands. To turn the desert into an oasis in a country where there are almost no rivers or sources, water had to be taken literally from the ground. Fossil waters that were preserved in the rocks from the previous geological era, the last ice age, were pumped out from wells a kilometer deep. The search for underground sources is a temporary and not the best solution to the problem. Water is very expensive, and almost 90% of the volume of water consumed by Saudi Arabia is spent on meeting the needs of agriculture. According to hydrologists, non-renewable reserves of fossil waters in Al-Jawf will run out in 50 years. Therefore, the kingdom is taking radical measures. It refuses to subsidize the production of wheat, soybeans and animal feed on these lands. Now, crops will be imported from other countries and produced on specially rented farms for these purposes in Asia and Africa. But the work of farmers in Al-Jawf will not diminish. Fruits and vegetables will still be grown on these lands.